Okay, Indiana Jones ride, Disneyland, California. If you've been following along, you know that my family and I have not been to California yet, so this is a new ride to me. I have not been on this at all. This ride is newly refurbished. It was just only reopened probably within the last month or so. So here we are in the queue. Some neat stuff in the queue here. If you're fans of Indiana Jones, definitely a lot to take in here with all these statues and temples and stuff. That's pretty cool. This ride is structurally identical to the ride in Animal Kingdom, the Dinosaur ride. A lot of people prefer the theming of this better than the Dinosaur theming, but we will see. Let's see what this looks like. It really makes you look like you're in a forest here, a jungle. It's pretty cool. You actually go into this temple. Unhappy looking cast member. Mural there on the wall, and some kind of cryptic writing there. Everything looks very old and decrepit, and getting you in the spirit for the ride. I think that's definitely well done here. Especially, as I've noted before, in Disneyland, where there's less room to have these queues. I think this is more unique to have an extensive queue like this there. We're continuing to wind our way through this temple, and it looks like there's some poles here put up, maybe probably some excavation or some, some archaeological dig work going on, and supposedly in here. I'm not sure what the exact story of this ride is. Hopefully they'll say here, I guess, when you get inside, exactly what's going on with Indiana Jones here. So far, yeah, cool looking queue here. Lots of cool looking props and effects in here to give you this feeling of being in this ancient temple, going down into the dig, I guess, to investigate. More cryptic writing here. Probably give you a feeling that you're probably not supposed to be in here, that there's some curse or something. Oh, do not disturb the bats. Uh-oh. Bats. Why did it have to be bats? And... oh, uh-oh. Skulls on posts. That's never a good sign in an Indiana Jones movie. Yeah. It's a trap! Don't touch that! Oh my gosh, took the whole thing down. Don't step somewhere. Uh-oh. I didn't get to read it. We don't know where not to step. This is a long queue. Oh, cool, look at this. Opens up into a big chamber here with all this scaffolding going on. Lots of stuff that they're probably not supposed to be messing with here. Caution, do not pull the rope. Don't pull the rope! Oh, jeez. Now we get a video here. Sala's going to tell us why we're here. Oh, the safety features, okay, of the vehicle. Please put your items in the carry-on compartment, front of your seat, and how to put your seatbelt on. Okay, so this is basically a safety spiel. It doesn't really tell you what's going on here and why you're in this temple here.
Now, my friends,
take heed.
Word of advice.
Uh-oh.
Once you've entered the chamber of destiny, look not into the eyes of the idol.
Don't look into the eyes of the idol. Uh-oh. Wind up like this dude.
Friends, your moment is drawing near. Already I am envious of the wonders that await you, if you avoid the eyes of Mara, that is.
All right, let's go.
Welcome, my friend.
All right, come on. Ooh, cool looking statues. That looks pretty spooky. Notice, please secure all belongings. Man. This is inside. Okay, that's where you get on. And here's the vehicles. They look pretty similar to the dinosaur vehicles. They're just made to look a little more like Jeeps or something, as opposed to the time vehicles. Going through these gates. Ooh, that's cool. What happened? That's a cool effect. That's a cool effect on those doors. And this is probably what you're not supposed to look at. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Oh no! We've looked at it. But this is cool. Look at the snakes. I love the way this looks. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is cool. I like the lightning effect. Oh, there's Indiana Jones. What is he trying to do? Snakes. Dun, 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 dun. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. Oh, creepy head with fire in the eye. And I love the lighting here. All this glowing effect here. It looks awesome. Goes by pretty quick. I can't hardly see it. But lots of creepy stuff. Oh no, it's dark. Can't see. Ah! Okay, the lights are on. Where are we? We're lost in this temple. Things do not look good. Whoa! Whoa! Bright lights. Whoa! Back with the eye. Flame in the eye. Cool effect. Lots of snakes. Lots of snakes here. Whoa! That would have been a dinosaur in the dinosaur ride, I guess. Whoa! Oh, that's creepy. Cool. Ghost. Oh no, we're going across this bridge. Whoa! Electrical effects. What happened? It's dark again. It's dark again. Uh-oh. Here we come. We're out. Somewhere. Something's going on. What's going on here? Oh no, that's a cave-in! Ooh, creepy skeleton statues. Creepy skeletons on the wall. They look cool. Are they gonna jump out at you though or something? Should. We got past them. Oh, there's Indiana Jones again. He's hanging from the ceiling. Run away! Oh no, the giant boulder! Whoa, right under it. Cool. Oh, that's just like the dinosaur ride where that dinosaur is like gonna grab you and then you go underneath it there.
Now, stay out of trouble, will ya?
Stay out of trouble. I'll try, Indy. Thanks for the tip. And that's it. I guess we're getting off here. Alright, that's an exciting ride. I'd love to ride it in person. Hopefully we'll get out there to Disneyland soon and ride it. Thanks for watching with me. Had a great time. Please like, subscribe, click on that notification so you know when our new videos come out. And we will see you on the next event, the next journey here into the next ride. Not sure if we're done with Disneyland at this point. I think we have one more to do, Disneyland. We're going to do Haunted Mansion Holiday. And then we'll be moving on to probably Paris. So stick with us, alright? Thank you.